Have you ever been excited for a summer getaway, only to find yourself stuck near the bathroom with loose motion?
Let me tell you a life story. Alex, a 28-year-old outdoor lover, was halfway through his summer road trip when he grabbed a sandwich from a roadside stall. A few hours later, sharp stomach cramps hit. Loose motion followed. Sound familiar? If you've ever had sudden loose motion during summer, you're not alone. Today, I'll share doctor-approved home remedies for loose motion. The same simple 2-day recipe plan that helped Alex recover safely at home. Chapter 1. Home remedies for loose motion for adults. When Alex felt the first signs of stomach trouble, he didn't panic. He followed a safe, natural recovery plan. Here's what you can do too. First priority, stay hydrated.
Loose motion causes your body to lose water and salts fast. Replace them by drinking plenty of fluids. Here's a homemade oral rehydration solution, ORS. Mix 1 liter, about 32 ounces of clean water with half a teaspoon of salt and 6 teaspoons of sugar. Sip this slowly throughout the day.
Additionally, coconut water and herbal teas can also help replenish lost fluids and electrolytes. Second, gentle natural remedies to help the gut.
1. Rice water. Boil white rice with extra water. Strain and drink the liquid. It's soothing and may help slow diarrhea.
2. Carrot soup packed with nutrients helps restore lost minerals.
3. Underripe bananas. They contain pectin, a type of fiber that helps absorb excess water in your intestines.
4. Buttermilk with fenugreek seeds. Buttermilk supports healthy gut bacteria, while fenugreek adds soluble fiber to firm up stools.
5. Ginger mint lemon water or chamomile tea. These calm the gut and reduce cramps. 6. Toast with applesauce. Toast and unsweetened applesauce are easily digestible. The fiber in applesauce can help add bulk to your stool and firm it up, which is beneficial when dealing with diarrhea.
Chapter 2. The 2-day loose motion recipe plan. Let's explore Alex's easy-to-follow soothing food plan, crafted to be gentle on the stomach and aid in recovery. Day 1. Recovery plan, breakfast.
1 cup chamomile tea, no sugar. 1 slice white toast with applesauce. 1 small underripe banana. Mid-morning snack, half cup rice water. Sip homemade ORS.
Lunch. Carrot soup. Boil 2 carrots in 2 cups water. Blend, add a pinch of salt. Half cup plain white rice. Half cup plain probiotic yogurt. Afternoon snack.
1 cup buttermilk with a pinch of fenugreek powder. 1 small peeled apple if tolerated.
Dinner. Chicken rice soup. Boil half chicken breast, half cup rice, 1 carrot and 3 cups water. Shred chicken and serve with broth. 1 white dinner roll. Evening, ginger mint lemon water.
Steep 2 centimeters ginger and 6 to 7 mint leaves in 1 liter hot water. Cool, add half lemon sliced.
Day 2. Recovery plan, breakfast. Start your day with 1 cup of chamomile tea. For breakfast, have 1 bowl of rice porridge, made with half a cup of rice in 1.5 cups of water, and 1 small underripe banana.
Mid-morning snack, sip homemade ORS. Enjoy 1 cup of plain probiotic yogurt.
Lunch. Have vegetable soup for lunch. Boil 1 potato, half a carrot, and half a zucchini. Blend with a pinch of salt. Add half a cup of plain white rice. Afternoon snack.
For your afternoon snack, have 1 cup of buttermilk with a pinch of fenugreek powder and 1 slice of white toast with applesauce. Dinner includes 1 boiled potato and half a cup of plain yogurt. Optionally, you can have 1 small baked pear.
Evening, ginger mint lemon water. Throughout both days, aim for at least 2 liters of fluids, roughly 1 glass per hour.
Stick to water, ORS broths, and herbal teas.
Avoid sugary, caffeinated, or fizzy drinks. Chapter 3. When to see a doctor. Loose motion usually improves within 1 to 2 days.
But if you have diarrhea lasting more than 48 hours,
Blood in stools.
high fever,
Severe dehydration signs like dizziness or dry mouth. Please see a doctor right away. Final thoughts. So next time loose motion hits, remember Alex's home recovery plan, hydration, gentle remedies, and knowing when to get medical help can make a huge difference. Did you find this video helpful? Please like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family. And tell me in the comments, what's your go-to remedy for an upset stomach?
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.